Hi guys, have a good day. This is Jerry Kalidgid. I am your technician today on how to fix avigilon bullet camera. This is running almost 6 years and now it's not working. Let's get it started on how to fix this one. Anyway, this camera is almost time that we are repair this one. The first damage for this is this one. This is not the stock before of this because this one is damaged already. Then now I repaired this one and it's running almost 2 years ago, this one. And now the machine is not working. Maybe have some panel board inside, need to replace it. Now get it started on how to repair this one. And before we repair this one, we need to be clean to clean everything inside. Now get it started. Guys, we will prepare contact cleaner, this one. This is the solution. We will clean entire surface of the panel board of the avigilon bullet camera. We need this one because don't use any cleaner solution that having water content because it will damage on your board. Like for example, if you have lighter fluid, you can use that one, clean the panel board. Don't use gasoline because it have water content inside, it will damage on your board. So I am preparing to use this one, contact cleaner solution. This cleaner is for electronic equipment only. Now the 33% free. Let's get it started on how to fix this one. Okay, this is the one now guys. We are already clean everything. The problem of this board guys is one capacitor missing inside. So we need to replace it, this one. Maybe this one guys it was damaged on while raining. The water is getting inside or in damage on moisture because this camera guys is running almost 6 years. Now guys, let's get it started. We will connect this one to the switch if this one will be work. Now we will check if that one will be lighted. Light started. Okay. Yep. It's like clicking good. Okay. Now we Okay, this is the one now. Okay. And then we will check the avigilon machine. Is the one now. Okay. Let's proceed it here. And now guys, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the next video. I hope you enjoy on how to fix the avigilon bullet camera.